guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for the support. Today I'm going to show you how you can change a boring, an old, even a new backsplash into something exciting and vibrant. Stay tuned.
1, 2, 3, come on!
For this project, you're going to need to first find a vinyl hobbyist, which you can pretty much find in any local area or online on Facebook, on Etsy. It's really simple to find somebody who's willing to cut you out some vinyl. Then after that, you'll need to pick a design that you will like, that will fit your style, that the hobbyist can cut out of vinyl. At that point, it's pretty much as simple as prepping your surface, which is basically just cleaning it and making sure it's dry before you apply the vinyl. I will do a little bit more of a detailed description of how to apply the vinyl at the end of the video so that you have an idea if you haven't used vinyl before. Alright, now let's talk about why I chose to use vinyl and kind of the process I went through and why I think it is a great option for this kind of backsplash. So the home that I bought is new. It's only 3 years old and the kitchen is really nice, and I really didn't want and couldn't justify tearing out the backsplash just because it didn't fit quite the style that I wanted. So I thought a great alternative would be to use vinyl and to create a design that would kind of liven up my space and give me kind of that excitement, I guess, that I was looking for. And the beautiful thing about this vinyl is it's a really good, strong vinyl. This vinyl specifically is meant for outdoors. I have put names on kids' cups and put them in the dishwasher, ran them through 7 times, and they're still stuck on there. It's a very good adhesive vinyl that I feel like I will be able to wipe down the backsplash and I don't have to worry about having any problems. Another benefit is if you're renting especially, and in my case, if I choose to sell my home later on, then I can simply remove it. It's not going to leave any marks, or if I get bored of the design, I can simply change it. So that is one of the reasons that I really thought this would work and really wanted to use vinyl. Obviously, if you have a textured backsplash, it's going to be a lot more difficult to get your vinyl to adhere, so I'm not sure if that would quite work. And I'm not sure if it would work on other backsplashes depending on, you know, the shape, the style, and how you go about it. You're going to have to use a little bit of creativity. But honestly, I couldn't be more pleased with this project. The vinyl is sticking well. If I have any problems, or if you have any problems, make sure that your hobbyist cuts out some extra patterns so that way if you mess up or if down the road you need to replace a couple pieces that have started to peel or something, then you have that option. So I'm about done with my backsplash and I'm super in love with it. I'm happy that I decided to take a chance and try out this vinyl. I am in love with the modern, sleek look that it gives, and it just freshens up my kitchen so much. If you do find somebody in your area who is willing to cut out some vinyl for you, it's probably going to look a lot similar to what I am about to show you. You will probably get a piece of paper like this, and it will have the design on the paper, and this obviously is white. And then you should also get some sort of transfer paper. Lots of people use different kinds. I personally just use contact paper because I find that it's cheaper and it's easy to work with. And so pretty much you're gonna have your transfer paper and there's gonna be a clear side and then the backing side. So you're gonna peel that off. And now this side is sticky, and you're gonna lay that sticky part down on top of your vinyl, your design. So I'm going to do that. I don't know if you can really see that, but I have the adhesive transfer tape over the vinyl. I like using contact paper also because it's clear, so it's easy to see through and see my design. Then you're gonna take something flat. You can use a credit card, you can use anything flat, and you are going to rub over your design. So I'm going to take it, and on a hard surface, I'm going to be basically pushing and adhering that vinyl design to the sticky side of the transfer tape. Once I feel like I have a good transfer, I'll start to peel it up, just like so. Okay, now I have got my vinyl design on my transfer tape. So basically, I am going to take this now and I'm going to line it up the best I can. Whether you want to use a level, a laser, or just eyeball it is up to you. And I am going to place it where I want it. Make sure it's going the right way. Okay, now I'm going to push it on to my backsplash. And with that same flat tool, if you have it, you can go ahead and you can rub it on. And then you should be able to take that piece and peel it right off. When it comes to edges like this, I will just use a razor blade or something similar to just simply cut that away so that it's not in the way. And obviously the outlet plate will cover that. And that is basically how you put vinyl on anything, on wood if you're doing signs or anything like that. So that is the process, and I will show you the finished product, and hopefully you enjoyed this video.